Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Home Depot. So let's dive in. So guys, we're going to check out some of these great deals going on at Home Depot, and starting off with a little banger right here of this string trimmer for Ryobi. Almost half price. It's a great deal. Also have the blower down to $110. So you get to save a ton off of that one right there. They're trying to move a lot of these products. We also see this option right here for 49 bucks. I mean, that's a great deal for a string trimmer. Another Ryobi lawnmower down to $450. So again, you get another great deal off of this one. Significant price drop right here. Then we see a few more clearance items. You can see some of these filters for Milwaukee, even some safety items here, 12 bucks. More drill bits. We see some rigid sawzalls for $90. Pretty good deal on that one. And I will have a lot of these items listed down below. So if you are interested in these, I'll try to have a lot of these items listed down there so you can click and purchase those. Then we have the hand planer here, 59 bucks for the Ryobi. The drywall screw gun, 60 bucks. Also have the sander here, 59. Pretty good deals for those. $9.70 here. Some of these multi-tool blades for Diablo, and Diablo's great. Husky have the combination wrench sets for 50 bucks. Then we also have the Weller brand here, down to $99. More Diablo blades, 23 bucks on these. Great purchase right there. Diablo is a great brand for those. Also have spade bits as well. So you can pick up some of these. $23 for the DeWalt drill bit set. See the case you get as well. And then Ryobi has theirs for 13 bucks. So really good prices on a lot of those. Also have this grill. Get to save $229 on this Dynaglow grill right here. Again, great pickup right there if you're looking for a grill. One of the biggest deals that I saw going on right now at Home Depot are on a lot of their storage items. So if you need some of these storage items for a lot of your equipment, tools, or just other kind of things you got at the house, you can see all of these storage items right here. And like I mentioned, I'll have a link for a bunch of these down below. But whatever size you might need, some of them were picked over at my store, but they did say they were going to replenish a lot of these. But you can see all of these sizes, and some are the plastic, some are the heavy duty plastic like these right here, and then some are the metal. So it really just depends on what you might be interested in and what you might need, because again, you can grab some, stick them in your garage or your shop. That way you're able to put tools on them or just any kind of thing like that. So see all of these different ones as well. And they even have some tubs. So if you need some of those tubs, seen a lot of people putting their tools in tubs, and also just storing a lot of different things in those as well. So got a bunch of different ones. Even got some of these heavy duty ones here from Husky. So if you need some of those, again, also a great pickup. Then we even have a couple deals going on with Ryobi. A lot of these are the newer spring deals, so you can check some of them out. But there are some great combos in a lot of these. Get the string trimmer we saw a minute ago, and even some of those 6-tool combos. They also still had some of these Traegers on sale. You guys can let me know if these are still available at your store. You can see they are still here at mine. Save $100 on these. The end of the season grill sale. So last one for this one, a little bit bigger option here. Get to save about $700. That's a great deal, and Traeger is one of the best right here in the pellet grills. But they also had another ironwood deal right here. So a bunch of different ones that are still available. You can do all kind of fun stuff with these Traeger, so definitely recommend you check those out. Have some Ryobi. You can see they're trying to move some of these out of here. I don't know how much longer they are going to be. I was talking with a rep, and he said they are going to start moving these out at some point soon here because we are into February. So if you are interested in any of these Ryobi tools, you definitely want to check some of these out and go ahead and pick them up. You can still see a lot of these prices. Some of them have been dropped even further. As you see this right here, 99 bucks for the circular saw, and also the Sawzall there, so you can pick those up. And I like this little shop vac as well, down to 29 bucks. And they still had the deal on a lot of their storage systems, so if you need to pick one of those up, definitely can do that. I think that would work well, especially if you're going to be mobile. They also have this heated cushion. Look at that. That's a great little thing to grab. 50 bucks, you get a heated cushion at a game, or if you're going to be, travel sports right now, definitely a great time to go ahead and pick these up. They did mark down some of these compact tape measures down to 13 bucks, but they were gone at my store. And there are a lot of other deals, kind of other stuff going on, but I'm trying to show you guys just the better deals and stuff that have been marked down and those type things, because there's still a lot of things going on, still a lot of stuff right there in the middle, but I want to show you some of the best deals. Then they had a lot of these items, so for like your shop vac or just cleaning tools, they had a lot of these. Showed you some of these filters earlier, but we see some are still on sale. Good price right there, dropped down to 15 bucks for that one. And then again, here's the air tips, down to 30 bucks, so you get a little combo pack in these. So if you need some of those, definitely worth it to grab them. Also another option here for 10 bucks. Then you can grab some of these ratchets. We saw some of those, but still on sale for 10 bucks for that one. And again, just a ton of these ratchets. Always recommend you grab some of those. They did have these lights here on sale for 15 bucks. Then a lot of these little small Ryobi tools. I like these, but a lot of them have been out of stock, and I don't believe they're bringing them back for this season. But we see some of these, especially this little ratchet kit, has been dropped to 44 bucks in that one. So a lot of great deals, especially in the Ryobi so far. And then we see right here the utility folding knife, 20 bucks for that one. And then we saw this everyday belt kit a few weeks ago, but they dropped the price to 49 bucks. So if you need one of those for job site or just DIY. Still had some Makita on sale. So if you need to grab some Makita items, I know we have a lot of diehard Makita fans. You can check these out and see what's available. Then they also had the DeWalt storage system available as well. Also, if this video has been helpful so far, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. And I also want to let you guys know that I did start a newsletter. I will be sending you guys out deals and other things that I can find, and even coupon codes and stuff like that. So if you're interested, you can find the link down below and subscribe to the newsletter. It's free for you guys, but it's a way for me to, again, find deals and send them out, especially ones that don't make the video or that are in between videos. I always want to let you guys know the best deals that I can find. Here we have a few more storage items for Rigid, so you can check these out, the Rigid storage, and then also Rigid wet dry vac. Always, everyone has one of those, so go ahead and get you one, 80 bucks. Diablo blades, $15 right here. Again, a great deal for that one. Stud sensor, 30 bucks. Definitely need one of those. Always trying to find the stud when you're working on different things at the house. And I just want to show you, we have a little step ladder like this. We use a ton around the house, so I recommend those. Here is another Husky, just kind of set up for the shop on sale, so you can definitely grab some of these. And then we saw some of these heavy-duty totes, but this is the red one here, 29 bucks for Husky, so you can put tools or other things in it like that. Then we have the DeWalt tool down to $153. So great pickup right there. And a few more Milwaukee items. $130 here for this nailer. 18 or M18. Also the Brad nailer down to $250. This one was gone from our store. And then we also have another tool deal right here, $450 for the battery pack out here. So if you need that one, you get to save a significant amount. Also have the 2-tool combo, $240. Pretty great deal right there for Milwaukee. Then a few good deals here for Ryobi. We see the buy 2, save 20, buy 3, save 40. So if you need some of these small deals, they're still going on right now. Get some of the batteries. You can also get some of these lights, little fan here, and even this power cutter. I like that one probably the most. This one I probably need. Then we have a couple other smaller tools here for 50 bucks each, so if you need any of these. Also have some more deals right here with Ryobi. You can see these, stud detector, 31. Some batteries here for 129. Get to save 70 bucks on that one. Also the full 4-tool combo kit, definitely something to check out. Got some oscillating blades for 20 bucks and even a few other deals right here on some saws, 100 bucks on that one. Wet dry filters. See a few more Milwaukee deals here. Some of these got the 2-tool kit, also a few other tools as well. So a bunch of different deals still going on right now at Home Depot. And then we see a bunch of these right here. We have the rapid charger, also the battery inverter down there, the 2-tool kit, and then I really like that 5-tool kit right there. 300 bucks and you get all of those tools. That's definitely a great one to get into if you want to get into Milwaukee. And a few more little small tool options here with variety pack for the blades. We got the wet dry vac 150. When you buy the starter kit, you get one of these tools for free. So remember those as well when you buy that starter kit right there. And then also when you buy this starter kit, then you get one of these tools for free. So if you're going in the market for any of these Milwaukee tools, definitely check those out. When you get the battery pack, you get one of these. So get a bunch of deals and a bunch of options right there. Milwaukee still has some pretty good deals going on, so it's always great to check some of these out. Then you can see a few more right here, some lights and other things for Milwaukee, even more headlamps and stuff like that. So if you need some rechargeable headlamps, always check these out. You definitely know they're going to do a good job. Milwaukee's one of the best options for you. Then we have a couple more tools right here. And like I mentioned earlier, I'll have a link for as many as I can of these down below. So if you're interested, you can always check those out. Definitely help out the channel a little bit. Then we have a few of these small deals right here for Milwaukee. Really like those. And then a few more other options right here as well. Little hammers and pry bar sets. And like I mentioned, these are just the ones that were on sale or still marked down. There were a lot of other kind of deals just all around there, or just tools listed all around there, but these were the ones that had some of the markdowns, and again, some of the ones that I remembered being a little bit cheaper than they were the last time I was here. A couple other options for Milwaukee. A lot of Milwaukee tools going on right now, so definitely check some of these out. Some of the ratchets right there, you get to save 50 bucks. Some of the batteries, always need some of those batteries. Definitely a great thing to check out and pick up. Had the wet dry vac down to 189, and then we saw a bunch of these little tubes and different things like that earlier in the video. So check them out, but definitely know you need those. Then some more safety options, whether it be sunglasses, the high vis, stuff like that. Also have some gloves, 15 bucks for those. And then a few more Diablo blades as well. Then we see some Carhartt pants. I really like these. These are pretty good prices for those. $24 for some Carhartts. They did not have my size, but I was definitely interested in those. And then we have some more Milwaukee clothing. So if you need some of those shirts, you can grab these, and even some of these hats here as well. So a bunch of different looks for those hats and stuff like that. Carhartt, Milwaukee, different ones, different brands. So definitely some good deals on some of these. I mean, down to 15 bucks. That's even cheaper than they were for Black Friday. So trying to move a lot of this inventory, you can tell here. I do like this Battery Daddy. I love those. It's even cheaper, 10 bucks. That is a great thing. I even would recommend you grabbing that and saving some of those for gifts later on. Even some of these gloves are on sale. $11 for these right here. And then have some more deals on some of these tools. We have this big set for Milwaukee. Good job for that one. $259 here for the rotary hammer. And then also another option for Milwaukee. Got some DeWalt 2-tool kit. $139 there. Pretty good deals on those. Even more Makita. $160. Then we had a bunch of deals up here for Milwaukee. You see this $182 here for the charger, and then I think I mentioned it last time, but I had not seen one of these on sale. So we have some of the jackets, the heated jackets on sale, 99 bucks for some of these. And I do believe last video we had some of these vests listed as well. We have the 6-port charger here for $125 for rigid. And then more Makita deals right there, $160 for the batteries. So you can check some of these out if you need Makita and you need some batteries. Also, Rigid has their angle grinder, 80 bucks for that one. Another one for Makita, 160 for their angle grinder. You can check out those right there. And then Dremel also had their multi-tool for 75 bucks. Always recommend a great Dremel. And then we have the M18 Milwaukee charger as well. The miter saw here on sale, $4.99. That's significant for DeWalt. So if you need a nice miter saw, you definitely know you're going to get one right there with DeWalt. Also, we have some more of these storage deals. I wanted to show you all some of those. So whichever brand you might be into, you can grab some of these, whether it's DeWalt, Ryobi, and they all had some of their, stackable or just options like that, even rigid right here for 40 or 39, 40 bucks. So whether it be stackable or whether it be the mobile kits, you can check some of these out right there. We saw rigid, Ryobi, DeWalt. So a bunch of good deals and options on these. So pretty good deals. I mean, 69 bucks for that one. Pretty good, pretty solid. You're definitely going to save some money and get some good options right there. Even have the medium size for Ryobi. And then even some of these links here for 30 bucks. And then we even see a deal right here on the Husky connectors for $70 as well. So good setup for that one. Then to show you just a couple other deals, we have some of these master built smoker covers, $25. Another grill cover and even the next grill. So if you have a grill, you need to definitely check those out in the back. And then also we have this chest freezer, $189. Check that out. And then DeWalt had a bunch of their heavy duty tools on sale as well. Definitely check these and see if you need any of them. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals still going on right now at Home Depot. I don't know how long they're going to last. They did say they're going to move a lot of this inventory, kind of getting ready for springtime, and also some of their new tools coming as well. But if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and check out some of the deals down below. Also, check out the newsletter, and I'll see you in the next video.